Thank you. Let us proceed with our series. We are going to proceed with the about us.html page. If you have not watched the introduction part of edX page, please go back to the previous. There is a video for that. You can get it. You can get it and know what you have already done. So I will go straight to the main tag, and inside here main tag, I want first of all to have a h1 header 1 and say about us page like that. Then after that, I will have a p tag. I'll have a p tag, and this our services include the following. Remember, this lesson is not meant for the information that I'm writing, but you mastering the codes or the tags, like the p tag. Then after that, I will have an ordered list. Remember, this ordered list emphasizes on numbering. So ordered list and the items that I want to list. The first item will be, these are our services: website development. I've said ordered list emphasizes on numbering in order. The next one will be M-Pesa integration. Like that. The next one will be search engine optimization. And the last one is graphic design. I'm just writing this for the purpose of showing you how codes or how these HTML tags are used. Then after that, I will write this is a comment. This is just a sample of a comment. Remember, comment is not shown on the browser. The purpose of comment is used so that if a developer come to the website, we'll be able to understand what you used. Down here, I will introduce a table tag, and close the table tag like that. Then I'll have a table head like that. Inside the table head, I will have t head like that, and the first heading will be I'll use number first of all, number like that. Even I can put a hash like that. Then the next one will be services. I'll copy and paste inside here and put this one services or service. Then we'll have price. You can even call it price stroke charges like that. Then after that, I'll have a t-body down here, like that. Inside the t-body, I'll have a row, table row, and inside the row I will have several data. So table head, table data like that, and the first one will be number 1, yes, like that in that row. The second one will be services, and our service, the first one was website development, and the charges is Kenya shillings, 25,000, like that. Let's test very quickly. We see if it is working. Yeah, and you can see it. It is working as expected. So I will copy this TR, the whole of this TR, like that. I just want to copy and paste it down here. Call it number 2. The next one was M-Pesa integration. Very quickly, I change this one to M-Pesa integration. M-Pesa integration, like that. M-Pesa integration costs it will cost you 15,000, like that. I'll copy another one and call it number 3. Number 3 is search engine optimization. Which would cost you 10,000. Then after that we have another one. We have another one for graphic design. You have another one for graphic design. That is number 4, row number 4, graphic design. Graphic design will cost you like 10,000 Kenyan money. Let's test the page. And see how it is behaving. And the page is working as expected. So I'll move on to the last part of the series. That is, I'll work with contact.html page. So I'll move all this. And start it again. There we are. The header remains because it is the same thing. From from index.html, about.html, the header remains. The only thing that will changes is the content in the main element. So the main element, like that, put it down. I have opened the opening tag of the main element, and inside here we will have a p tag, and the p tag will be talking about contact us through this page, or using the following information, like that. Number 1, let me put them in an ordered list. The first item is email address. Email address will be like this, Unmedia, like that, unmediaafrica@gmail.com. And I want to emphasize on this, so I'd put board like that and put it inside here, cut and paste it there. I'll also add another one, mobile number, very quickly, mobile number, like that. I'll also make it strong by using 0725547867, and I can also, let me change this one to another tag that is strong. I'll use strong like that. I'll remove this crossing B. Let's see how it behaves on the browser. Save, and let's test. So we are going to the contact us page, and you can see B for board and strong are the same, only that they add different tags. That is it. I'll also add a P tag, and see this, you can send as a message directly from our site. So here I'll use a form. Form tag like that. This form would not be method. This form will not use any server-sided language, so it would be just static the way it is. It simply means it will not be sending any message. Remember, here we are talking of HTML, pure HTML, not any other language. Yeah? But as we proceed, I will be giving out series. We'll tackle PHP and see how we can be able to send a message from a form. So the first one here will be your name like that. Then an input, it will be a text. The name that will be requested when you're coding using PHP will, from the database, it will be a text. It will be name. That is the name that will be requested. I'll use a placeholder and say enter your name. Enter your name like that. Very, very quickly. I'll proceed. First of all, let me break here before I forget, and break like that. Then I will want to copy label and the input type. I'll enter this one as your name. Enter your name, and here your mobile number. Like that. I'll change this one to number. Yes. It will be a phone, the name, the requested name. And enter your mobile number as a placeholder. Enter your mobile number as a placeholder, like that. I will copy this one again, like that, and put it down here. Enter your email address, like that. Change this one to email, type to email, and the requested name will also be email. Yeah, the placeholder will be enter your email address. Enter your email address, and that is correct. That is done. I'll move on to the last one. The last one is a text area, or where the message will be, where the client will type messages. So I'll use a text area like that. It will be name of message like that. I'll put how many columns? I'll put 10 columns. I'll also put how many rows? I'll put 4. I'll put 4 like that. I'll break and break again, and also break again. And the last one will be the submit button. Input, the input type will be submit. The value is what will be shown. Value will be said message, and it is done. Let's test and see how it behaves. And there it is, and you can see it is not so much responsive because we are purely using HTML. This is the placeholder that we have been using. This is the label, and this is the text box that you're talking about. The first one was about the name. The next one is a number. You can see here it can only be used to enter a number. You cannot enter any other information there. Expect a number. Then there it is an email address. For this one, you have to enter only the email. Then you have our message. Then you send. That is the end of this series. The next series that I'll be producing, it will be having CSS. Thank you very much.